Hello, hope you're all doing well and staying healthy. Wanted to make a quick video to show you how to access both Google Classroom and a new family website that the district will be sending to you tomorrow morning. My first suggestion is that when you are logging on, to be logged into your child's email that is the district provided one. This will make it easier for when it's time to get into Google Classroom that they are already logged in and have access to it. If you find that it's not letting you get into Google Classroom, you might be logged into your own personal account or another child's. So just make sure that you're logged into your third grade student's account. Now the district will be sending you the website tomorrow morning, so I'm sure they'll have it like front and center on the district page, but for now I have found it under this continuous learning tab. And if you scroll down here on hashtag Keep Learning Family Supports. So this website is available for all parents of the district. So we've got the elementary schools, preschool. This will probably be taken out tomorrow morning, secondary, and some more information you may need. We are going to be, of course, accessing the Indian Hills, and you'll come across our page. So the first thing posted is Miss Kimball, our counselor's wonderful video she made about online safety. Mrs. Schmidtline sent it out in an email to you guys, but if you have not had a chance to watch it, I highly encourage not only your child to watch it, but you as well as a parent. If you keep scrolling, you'll see all the grade levels as well as a social emotional tab, which I'm going to start there. Ms. Kimball is offering several Zoom meetings throughout the week. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, she is going to have office hours. So if you have a comment or you want to chat with her, you're more than welcome to click this and it'll take you to her Zoom. She's also doing some Zoom lunches on Thursdays. So if you want to eat some lunch with Ms. Kimball, you can click here and you guys can eat lunch together through Zoom. And then this is also lunch for the older grades. So if you have an older child or an older sibling to eat, or to, eat lunch with Miss Kimball. So if you keep scrolling, I believe this will take you to her YouTube page. She's been working really hard on making some awesome lessons. She includes her dog and her cat in some really funny videos. So go ahead and check those out. And then Mrs. Metzger, our social worker, just some positive self-talk to remind you of, and some ideas for what you can do to have that positive self-talk. And then if you want to chat with Mrs. Metzger, you can click this and it should take you to a Google form to fill out and she will get into contact with you. I'm going to go back to the homepage of Indian Hills where our grade levels are. So we will of course click third grade. And it'll take you to this page. It starts with listing the 2 standards that we're focusing on for the week. Below that are our 4 Google Classroom links. You'll click on your name and or your teacher's name and it'll take you to their Google Classroom. Here's just a sample schedule you can use if you're having a tough time getting your kid in routine or having time spent out for each subject. You can use this if that is helpful to you. If you keep scrolling, you'll see Enrich and Extend. That will be actually included in our Google Classroom, so I will show that to you here in a moment. And then down here, Mrs. Ash, Ms. Kilgore, Mr. Mulholland, and Mr. C have all come up with some really awesome resources that you can use in there. But I'm going to go ahead and take us to Google Classroom. So I will click on your teacher's name. And for some reason, it keeps going to mine instead of Bo's, but I'm going to log in as Bo, so you can see it as a student. Make sure you click your teachers, and then here's your Google Classroom. So as you scroll, you will see all the announcements that your teacher has made. I've used Google Classroom throughout the school year. That's why I have some. Your teacher may not, no big deal. But on here you will see the materials or the assignments. You can also easily access them up here by clicking classwork. Now right now all you can see is Enrich and Extend. Tomorrow morning I have it scheduled that Monday, April 6th at 8 a.m. the ELA lessons and the math lessons will become available to you. So tomorrow morning when you log on, you will have those Google Slides available for you. Here in the Enrich and Extend, if you click on it, this will be available for the remainder of the school year and we'll add to it and change to it as the weeks come. But once you click this drive, it'll open up this folder. Now right now we only have 2 enrichments, math an ELA. So for this week, for any enrichment or extra practice you want to have, you can open that folder, and I have the dates to make it easy for you. And these pictures are all actually clickable. I don't know if that's the right word, but you can click on them. So I click present, and then you see as you go over each one, a little hand becomes available. So you can click on it and it'll take you to some more practice that you can be doing, activities and things like that. Super important that you know for the ELA enrichment. So it is a quarantine journal that we have found, and it actually can cover the entire school year. So it has you putting in pictures of your family and what you guys are doing and how times look different, something new that you're trying to learn, all sorts of things that you can fill out. Now, it's really important that you guys make a copy of this to have your own journal, because if you just go in here and start typing on it, then everyone will be able to see what you type. Anyone can go in and erase what you've typed. So to make a copy, you click File, Make a Copy. You want to do the entire presentation, and then you can name it, so you can put your name, and then you can pick which folder to put it in. Again, for some reasons it logged back into mine, but you can go in your drive. Oh no, perfect, it's Bo's. So Bo might put it in the classroom folder or whatever folder he chooses to make it in. But it's so important that you don't just open this and get so excited you start typing into it. Instead, click File and Make a Copy. Okay. I know all of us third grade teachers are kind of doing things differently this week as for office hours, so your teacher will be more specific with you on if they are planning to do office hours. But if you have any questions or you're not able to get to something, especially tomorrow when you first try and access it, please don't hesitate to email us, and we will be more than happy to help. So thank you guys.